Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called MiniMe. My video, of course, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So very soon users may realize that their files are no longer accessible because this ransomware may encrypt files and essentially damage them. And this is exactly what is happening because of this MiniMe ransomware. The ransomware has in mind to force users into basically paying the ransom. But there is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom that your data would be restored. We strongly urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. Once again, there is no any guarantee that your files would be decrypted even if you pay the ransom. So don't waste your money, don't pay that ransom. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this MiniMe extension. And this is the ransom note titled as readit.txt. Once again, don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you remove this ransomware as soon as possible. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the software through this official website, install the application, and after it is successfully installed, click on Start Scan button and begin researching and investigating your computer. By the way, the program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It helps to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you upgrade to Premium, which will help you to always keep your data protected.